First, open Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. If you want to save an image you created in Leonardo AI, start by opening the Image Generation or Image History area from your dashboard. Find the image you want to keep and open it so you can see the available actions. Depending on the current Leonardo AI interface, you may see options for saving, downloading, editing, upscaling, or sharing the image. If there is a save or favorite option, you can use it to keep the image organized inside your Leonardo AI account. This is useful if you want to return to the image later and continue working on it. You can also organize your creations according to the project you're working on, if the current Leonardo AI interface provides suitable organization features. Before leaving the page, make sure the image has been saved successfully. If you want a copy on your computer, use the download option instead. After saving the image, you can return to your image history later and continue editing or generating new variations based on your previous work. It's also a good idea to keep your important images organized, especially if you generate many versions of the same concept. For example, you might separate images for thumbnails, product designs, characters, social media posts, or personal artwork. Remember that the exact buttons and menu names can change as Leonardo AI updates its platform. If you don't see a specific save option, look for the image's action menu or library area and check the available options there. And that's how you can save images in Leonardo AI in 2026.